Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to check for software updates. So at first open settings, then find and select system update and wait till your device is scanned. And as you can see, then you've got the information. In my case, the system is up to date. However, if yours is not, from this panel right here, you'll notice tab to update your system and you'll be able to get the latest version. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.